Yeah.
Okay, it's crispy minus 27 out this morning. The wood stove is at 156 degrees, and so it needs wood for sure. We do this twice a day, and I'll show you what we do. Some wood in here. All right. Some wood in here. Big chunk. Yeah, that's it. That's our primary source of heat, and that heats hot water as well as the furnace. And I guess I could show you guys that that's tagged on the end of this video. So we'll catch you later. Okay, so there's a house we're heating, and that is where the wood furnace is. Okay, well, some of you are probably wondering, how does a remote furnace heat the house? Well, it has propylene glycol circulating through it, and these are the lines that circulates through. So I don't know if you can see that. It says in and out. So the heated liquid comes in through here, comes down here into the hot water heater, and then goes out of the hot water heater. This is also electric, by the way, so we can turn it on to electric in the summer when we're doing it. That is the circulation pump there, and this is our furnace here. And out of the circulation pump we come into another heater. This just heats the basement here, and then it comes out of there into the main heater in the furnace, which is also an electric furnace. You can see a big power cable coming in there, and that's how we heat the house. Hey Ollie. Here's the wee beastie.